Hey guys, Shax here, and in this video, I'll show you how to get your tax form from Coinbase Pro. First of all, log into your Coinbase Pro account. Then, when you get to the main exchange page, you're going to go into the top and click the drop-down menu next to your account name. Inside it, you're going to select Statements. When you get to this page, it may be blank. This is where it gets a little confusing, but it's easy. Simply go to the top right where it says Generate, scroll down to Account and select it. This should prompt account report generation. Unless you have a reason to, otherwise, I would leave all accounts selected. Under Date, you're going to go back to the year you're filing for. Simply select the first, the end date, and then the format of the document. At last, you're going to enter your email, and then you're going to simply generate report. You should get this prompt that says your statement is being processed, and they will email you that report. After you get it, simply download it, send it to your tax filing CPA or your crypto tax software. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.